Hello friends, Amanda from Instant Interior Design here. I wanted to give you a brief overview of what Instant Interior Design is. Many of us have spent hours online saving photos of our dream homes, but what happens when you're ready to get to work? Well, you have a couple of options. You can hire an interior designer, either in person or online, have meetings and reviews, provide the designer with drawings and photos, and at some point receive a design. Or you do the legwork yourself and spend countless hours tracking down the items in the photos. Wouldn't it be nice to instead just have that information at your fingertips ready to put to use? That's what we provide at IID. We've broken our palettes into residential and commercial collections. On our website, you can browse through virtual material boards and renderings of different room types to find your match. Immediately after purchase, you will receive an email with a link to download the palette specifications for each item shown, including manufacturer, style, color, and other information. For residential palettes, you'll also receive information on where to purchase the materials. Please note that commercial palettes include materials only able to be sourced by trade professionals, so be aware you will need to engage a contractor to utilize those palettes. Along with all the items you see online, you'll also receive information on a bonus item. Sometimes a room just needs a cherry on top, and that's what these bonus items are. A bonus item could be cabinet hardware, a wall treatment, a light fixture, decor, the list goes on. But we make sure that each palette gets matched up with a perfect accent. What type of bonus item you receive is a surprise, but be assured it will work with the palette beautifully. While IID might sound like interior design for the masses, we don't want you to feel like everyone else will end up with the same room as you. So we've made each palette available only 3 times. Once we've sold those 3, you'll never see that palette on the website again. Sure, material from a palette might show up in another color or in another room type, but each whole palette is only available 3 times. Have more questions about IID? Please visit our website at instantinteriordesign.com. You can also find us on Instagram and Pinterest. Feel free to drop us a note on any platform with questions you may have. Until next time.